Okay, fuck me. Calm down. What's going on, everyone? We're back with Ant, or Modos as we call him. So Ant got rid of the TT and decided to get a big boy's car with a nice big straight six in it, in a BMW. Yeah, so we're in an M135i and yeah, we're in an M135i, straight six. What is this standard? What's the brake horsepower standard?
315 brake. 315
standard. This is running 370 after a little map at Road Rage Performance. So yeah, we're just going to go for a little drive and talk about the car. So let's do the 5 things. So 5 things you hate and 5 things you love. Let's start with the bad parts. What don't you like about it?
To be fair, I haven't had it long enough to have bad parts about it yet. I'm still like, I'm in the honeymoon phase still.
Honeymoon phase.
Yeah, I miss,
still sniffing it when you get it.
No. Sometimes I miss manual just for the fact that I felt a bit more like I was involved in driving.
Yeah.
Where this is just a go-kart.
Yeah.
But other than that, I haven't really. In other ways, I really like the automatic because it means I don't have to do anything.
Yeah. Do you drive? Do you do any driving in London?
Not anymore, no.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, that's one thing I would have liked. So there's not really much to complain. Want to do left up here? Yeah. There's not. I don't think there is much you can complain about in these.
The insides.
They're built well.
Yeah.
Looks like it's got a decent sound system. Yeah, just left here. What's it missing? Is there anything it's missing that could be a bad point? Guess it's not, is it? You got sat nav, Bluetooth.
I've got the higher spec with the speakers, the Pro Nav, and it's the same, pretty much the same nav that they've got in the newer car. So yeah, I haven't really noticed anything that I'm missing at the moment.
It's like,
ask me again next year, I might say something else. But
so what's your 5 favourite things then?
5 favourite things.
I guess it's quite difficult, isn't it? Because you've gone from an Audi to a BMW. In terms of quality, there's probably not much difference, is there? Because the build quality is pretty good on both.
I think first thing I like is unlike Luke with his many diffs, I like the fact that I can get the back out on this.
Yeah. What, and still feel in control, or?
You know what, more than you think. Yeah, I was worried because obviously I went from a 4-wheel drive, the quattro system, to this.
Yeah.
But it's just fun. Like, you feel in control. I haven't lost it yet, and obviously you've driven it around corners and stuff. It doesn't go out easily.
No, it doesn't. Well, we had it in sport.
Yeah, still, you drive miles an hour around corners. Scared for my life. I like the insides. I think, obviously, I drive to Portugal quite often, and I think that's so comfortable in it.
Yeah, it is definitely.
Yeah.
Probably, I'll tell you what. Actually, it's probably comfortable for me and you, but I'd imagine these bolsters adjust on this.
No.
Okay. I imagine for a quite big guy,
Yeah.
This might not be as comfortable.
No, I can imagine.
This could be quite. I imagine it's quite diggy.
Yeah. What else? I think the exhaust sound even
noise. I
standard.
think it has probably.
And just the speed of it and the torque it's got is crazy. So the thing is, I've only got the TT to compare it to, and the centre pod times show out. But I know you don't like centre pod, so I won't talk about it.
No, I like centre pod. Let's just clear this up again on another video. I haven't got a problem with centre pod. I like to drive around corners. Next then, what do you think you do to it, or do you just think this is it, I'll leave it like this?
For now, to be fair, I want to try and get some cosmetics done. I want to get the spoiler, the splitter. I think that's my next go-to, and then then I will probably look at the exhaust and LSD. Yeah. LSD for when we go around that track.
Have you looked? How much is the LSD?
Only £2,000.
Only £2,000.
Yeah, but for me, that's not. It's not too bad. Yeah. Only £2,000.
But how much weight does it put on the car?
I need to check that out. A lot of people that have done tracking in this car with the LSD say it's brilliant.
That noise is quite. It changes gear. That.
I know. Just so quick off the mark, isn't it?
Yeah. That's awesome.
So looking forward to the road trip.
Yeah, can't wait actually. Road trip would be good. And if you're watching this and you haven't booked yet, you got till the day we go, really. No, you haven't. You got till the 1st of June. What am I talking about? You haven't. Yeah. Yeah, because we need to.
The first trip we went on, it was amazing. Obviously, people that didn't know each other ended up having a brilliant time.
Oh no! And look what's happened. We ended up coming to your stag do, stag do, and cars build friendships. Fact.
Yeah, a bit too friendly, I must take it though.
It's a bit too friendly on the road trip as well.
Yeah, we'll try and tone that down a bit.
Right, it's my turn.
Don't do what you did last time, huh?
Right, so this is what I struggled with. So when we was at Santa Pod the other day, I was trying to just roll it forward, and I literally couldn't even figure out how to put it into drive.
Press a button.
So you press unlock, drive.
You need a foot on the brake.
Yeah. Cool. What are we in sport?
Yeah.
So the first thing you notice straight away is you don't even have to touch the accelerator, and it just wants to go.
Have you test driven Luke's car yet?
No.
No. Is he going to let you?
He let me have a go in the 350 because I was trying to show him how to heel toe.
Okay.
Because in his car, when you did it, when you were changing down gears, it just sounded so good. Ooh. Yeah, it's very it's twitchy, isn't it?
Yeah. Feel the back go already, just doing that.
So comfortable. Though. Do you get nervous as a passenger?
Yeah. Yeah. Leon from Road Rage, when he done the map, took it out, and then you took it out, and I don't think I've ever been so scared for my life.
I need to relax. Right, okay, so I'm going to review this car as soon as I get to drive this one. So yeah, like we said before, seats are well comfortable. Like as a driver's car, this is well nice. But like I said, if you're a big guy, this probably wouldn't be as comfortable. I don't know if BMW did a different seat package for this. It might have been the 140, I don't know. Boy, the accelerator, it's like, there's a difference between not going anywhere and like the car wanting to go off, but that's probably because we're in sport mode actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, okay. Comfort.
Even comfort's pretty good. Because of torque, isn't it? The car's got so much torque.
Yeah. What on the dyno you did? So 370
brake.
370 brake. Do you remember what the torque was?
Something like 482 pounds of torque.
Foot-pounds.
Foot-pounds, yeah.
480.
Yeah. I'm gonna double check now.
That Right, so the brakes, whereas in the Civic it's like as soon as I touch them I almost go through my windscreen. This has got a bit more give, so it's about mid pedal is your like your real stopping point in this. But I don't know, the brakes don't change, do they, when you're in sport mode? You don't notice a difference with the brakes, yeah?
No. There you go. 485 pound-foot of torque.
Oh, right, okay. So what we red line's at 7,500.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh yeah, so when you're in comfort, the accelerator is so different.
It's quite nice not having a change gear in it.
Yeah, that's the best thing. Do you know what? The amount of times I'm in London and I just think, oh my god. And my clutch is very heavy.
Yeah, I remember driving it when I'm just moving it forward in centre pod. I was like, what the hell is this?
Yeah, it's hard work. This is nice, but this is the type of car where I keep thinking, oh, wouldn't it be really nice to drive a car to have the performance and the luxury, but then I think I'd miss my car at the same time.
It probably would. One reason I got this is because I've got a dog, and we might, like when we have children and that, it's just, it's got everything. The boot fits a dog in, back seats are nice. I don't think it's the best looking hot hatch, but
I think that's one thing about BMW is they've, talking about looks, is this hasn't changed much in so many years. The gear stick's changed, but in terms of like the infotainment system and stuff like that, it's just same old BMW, but just shinier. Let's go back into Sport mode. So I guess you've never put it in Sport Plus.
No, centre pod the only time I've ever used it in Sport Plus. Maybe just now the summer's coming, I might be able to, but yeah, in the winter you want to do that, you're going to die.
That's like just there. So in Sport, to give you some sort of idea, I was barely even 10%, maybe 20% throttle, and the car just wants to rip your head off. That noise is fantastic.
This is a cool little road.
Huh?
This is a cool little road.
It's so open, there's barely any other cars on it. Blast straight past Brands Hatch. Does it go to 8 gears in Sport?
Yeah. It'll hold it though, but you won't be hitting 8th gear until you're on about 140. Which I've never seen because I've never been that speed.
Why not?
Because I'm a sensible driver.
What about if you close your eyes? This would be a good game.
No, what?
The next blast, close your eyes and you guess what speed we've got to.
Okay.
See if you still feel scared.
Okay, let me know when you're.
Alright. Oh shit.
What was that?
I forgot it was in manual mode. Right, close your eyes.
Okay, fuck me. Calm it down.
What do you reckon we got to? Did you see?
I saw when I opened my eyes, yeah.
Look at this guy! No feet and no hands!
What is going on around here? I'm not going to say the speed, but
you can say it and then I'll bleep it out.
I thought it's so I don't think I've even got this car up that high. Well, I might have. More than most cars can get up to then. Is that a good answer?